Which operation is performed with fine abrasive particle? Fine abrasive particle is not used in filing. In filing process, file is used. Lapping, option B answer. Option B answer. In a lapping operation, fine abrasive particle are used. Lapping operation are used for eliminating roughness, waviness, irregularities of the surface. Second, 77. What is the purpose of normalizing? What is the purpose of normalizing? Option A, adding coating ability. Option B, develop high hardness. Option C, increase wear resistance. Option D, remove stress and strain. Option D answer, remove stress and strain. Which structure of steel contain 0% carbon? 78. Which structure of steel contain 0% of carbon? Option A, ferrite. Option B, purelite. Option C, austenite. Option D, cementite. Option A answer, ferrite. Purelite contains purelite option A answer. Purelite contains 0.84% of carbon. Austenite contains up to 2% of carbon. Cementite contains up to cementite contains up to 6.67 percentage of carbon. What is the method of surface hardening? What is the method of surface hardening? What is the method of surface hardening? 79. Option A, nitriding, not. Option B, case hardening, not. Option C, flame hardening, not. Option D, induction hardening. Answer, option D, induction hardening. Which type of key is used for transmitting high torque on both direction of rotation? Which type of key is used for transmitting high torque on both direction of rotation? Tangential key. देखिए ऑप्शन कौन ଅଛି? ऑप्शन ए फ्लैट सेटल की, ऑप्शन बी टेपर सॉन्ग की, ऑप्शन सी वुडरूफ की, ऑप्शन डी टेंजेंशियल की अच्छी, ऑप्शन डी. What is the use of ring gauge? Ring gauge is used to check shaft diameter. To check the shaft diameter by external size of the job. To check or measure the external size of the job. देखियो ऑप्शन कौन दूचे चेक होल डायमीटर, चेक शाफ्ट डायमीटर. ऑप्शन बी तो अच्छी है. ऑप्शन बी, check shaft diameter. Which gauge is used to check the accuracy of an internal thread? Option A, ring gauge. Option B, snap gauge. Option C, thread ring gauge. Option D, center gauge. Thread ring gauge. Option C. Which gauge is used? Which gauge is used to check the accuracy of an internal thread? Thread ring gauge. Option C, thread ring gauge. What is the name of gauge? What is the name of gauge? Ring gauge, snap gauge. Option C, taper ring gauge. Option D, internal thread gauge. Taper ring gauge. Option C, taper ring gauge. What is the procedure to select the slip gauge for particular dimension? What is the procedure to select the slip gauge for particular dimension? Built with grade accuracy. Option B, minimum number of blocks. Option C, maximum number of blocks. Option D, start ringing with small size of gauge. এটা তোমার answer হবে actually minimum number of blocks. Start ringing with যদি big size থান্তা এটি তাহলে এটা ହିଁ ঠিক ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା. Start ringing with big size slip gauge. ଆଗେ big ରହିବ ତାପରେ small ଏମିତି ସବୁ ରହିବ. Ringing means joining of two slip gauge together. The process of joining two slip gauge together is called ringing. Which process improves the quality of fit between mating component? Filing, option A, filing knot. Option B, turning knot. Option C, grinding knot. Option D, lapping. Which process improves the quality of fit between the mating components? Lapping. Which abrasive is used for lapping hardened steel and cast iron? Which abrasive is used for lapping hardened steel and cast iron? Silicon carbide. Option A. এইটা ହିଁ ঠিক. Option A, silicon carbide. Boron carbide is used for lapping gauge and dies. Boron carbide ତମର ୟୁଜ ହେଉଛି ଲାପିଂ ଅପରେସନ କୋଉଥିରେ ନା gauge and dies. Aluminum oxide is used high quality finish ପାଇଁ. Aluminum oxide use high quality finish. तब नेक्स्ट कौन है फ्यूज्ड aluminum. Fused aluminum is used in grinding or blasting or coating operation. 87. Which finishing operation is performed by the tool that rotate and reciprocate simultaneously? rotate भी करियो reciprocate भी करियो. Drilling not. Option B, honing. Answer honing. Why holes are provided in ring type of lapping? Why holes are provided in ring type of lapping? Why holes are provided in ring type of lapping? To hold lapping compound. देखिए ऑप्शन कौन गिवन अछि. ऑप्शन ए lubrication not. Option B, removal of heat not. Option C, holding lapping compound. Option C. Which type of key has one face curvature to the match shaft surface? Which type of key has one face curvature to match shaft surface. Sunk key, not. Flat saddle key, not. Circular taper key, not. Hollow saddle key, option D. Sunk key is used to fit into keyway in both shaft and machinery member. Machinery member means a pulley, gear. Circular taper key useful for tapered fitting shaft. 90. What is the name of key? What is the name of key? Parallel sunk key. Option A answer. Parallel sunk key. Which type of coating tool is tempered by heating up to 230 degrees Celsius? Which type of coating tool is tempered by heating up to 230 degrees Celsius? Option A tape, option B drills, option C toning tool. Why normalizing process is carried out in steel? Why normalizing process is carried out in steel? Option A to add coating ability, option B to develop high hardness, option C to remove stress and strain, option C to remove stress and strain. Which heat treatment process increases the wear resistance of steel? Option A annealing, option B tempering, option C hardening. What is the purpose of annealing? To soften the steel, option B to add coating ability, option C to increase wear resistance, option D to refine grain structure of steel. Option A to soften the steel. What is the purpose of annealing? To soften the steel. Option A answer. Why square head screw are provided with collar? To protect workpiece. देखिए कौन ऑप्शन ए आंसर टू प्रोटेक्ट वर्क सरफेस. What is the purpose of taper plug gauge? What is the purpose of taper plug gauge? Taper plug gauge is used to check the size of hole and accuracy of the taper of a job. Check taper hole with perfect fit. Option C. Why slots are provided in the adjustable ring lap? Why slots are provided in the adjustable ring lap? Option A for lubrication, option B permit clearance, option C for expansion, option D answer. Permit feeding of lapping compound. Permit feeding of lapping compound. Which abrasive has excellent coating properties and expensive? Boron carbide. CBN 98B. What is lapping? Filing operation? Not. grinding operation not, chiseling operation not, precision finishing operation. Lapping is a precision finishing operation. What is the name of lap tool? Split bush lap, adjustable ring lap, adjustable solid lap, charging cylindrical lap. এটা ହେଇଯିବ ତୁମର ଅପସନ୍ ଏ split bush lap. What is lead of multi-start thread? Multi-start. Pitch into number of starts. Option A. Pitch into number of starts. What is the type of screw? What is the type of screw? Hexagon head screw, groove screw. Option C. Round head screw. Option D. Square head screw. Option B. Groove screw. Groove screw. What is the name of knot? Option A. Castle knot. Option B. Slotted knot. Option C. T knot. Option D. Cap knot. Castle knot. Option A. What is the name of knot? Castle knot, hexagonal weld knot, hexagonal knot with collar. Option D. Self-locking knot. Hexagonal weld knot. Option B. Hexagonal weld knot. What is the name of tool? Face wrench, hook spanner, face pin wrench, pin wrench. Option A not. Option B hook spanner. Option B hook spanner. What is the type of screw? Hexagon socket head cap screw, hexagon head screw, countersink head screw. Option D raised cheese hand screw. Hexagon socket head screw. Option A answer. Hexagon socket head screw. What is the file that is rectangular in section and parallel in width with one shape edge? Dead note file, pillar file, wording file, Swiss pattern file. Option B pillar file. Pillar file is your option B answer. Which file has a double coat on face and single coat at edge? Which file has double coat on face, single coat on edge? Option pillar file. Option B single coat file. Option C wraps coat file. Option D wording file. A wording file. Option D. What is the name of file? Option A pillar file. Option B wording file. Option C Swiss pattern file. Option D dot not file. Swiss pattern file. Option C, Swiss pattern file. What is the name of gauge? Thread plug gauge, thread ring gauge. Option B, thread ring gauge. What is the name of gauge? Taper gauge, snap gauge. Option B, snap gauge. Option B, snap gauge. What is the use of drill gauge? Option A, check the diameter of drill. ठीक. Option A, drill gauge is used check the diameter of a drill. What is marked as X? Length, depth surface, contact rollers. Option D, width. Length. Length of a sine bar can be specified the center distance between two rollers. Option A. What is marked as X? Height of slip gauge, length of sine bar, datum surface, adjacent site. Option A, height of slip gauge. Height of slip gauge. What is the name of gauge? Screw pitch gauge, angle gauge, slip gauge, center gauge. Option D, center gauge. What is the name of gauge? Center gauge, screw pitch gauge, radius gauge, snap gauge. Screw pitch gauge. Option B, screw pitch gauge. What is the type of gauge? Thread ring gauge, roller type thread caliper gauge, thread plug gauge, anvil type thread snap gauge. Option D, anvil type thread snap gauge. It anvil is anvil type thread snap gauge. What is the type of gauge? Double-ended plug gauge, progressive plug gauge, taper plug gauge, taper ring gauge. What is the type of gauge? Option A, double-ended plug gauge. Double-ended plug gauge. What is marked as X? Double-ended plug gauge, no go. Progressive plug gauge, go. Taper plug gauge, go. Progressive plug gauge, no go. Progressive plug gauge, go. Option B. Progressive plug gauge, go. What is the gauge? The name of gauge is snap gauge, progressive plug gauge, taper ring gauge, taper plug gauge. Taper plug gauge. Option D answer. Taper plug gauge. Option D. What is marked as X? Thread ring gauge, go. Thread ring gauge, no go. Ring gauge, thread pitch gauge. thread ring goes no go. Option B. What is the name of gauge? Thread ring gauge, thread plug gauge, thread pitch gauge, taper plug gauge. Thread plug gauge. Option B. What is the quenching media used in heat treatment to obtain faster rate of cooling? Brine solution. Option B air. Option C oil. Option D water. Brine solution. Option A. What is marked as X? Upper critical temperature, lower critical temperature, C रे austenite, D रे ferrite. Lower critical temperature, LCT. It is UCT, upper critical temperature. Option B. What is the angle of elbow and bends that provide diversion? Elbow generally provided 90 degree and 45 degree. Option A. What type of screw are used in the places where frequent removal and assembling? Square head screw, hexagon, socket head, cap screw, round head screw, cheese head screw. Option A. Square head screw. What type of knots are used in coach building work? Square knot, T knot, wing knot, cap knot. Square knot. Option A. What type of knots are used in coach building work? Square knot. What is the name of knot having top part in cylindrical shape and bottom part in hexagonal shape? What is the name of knot having top part in cylindrical shape and bottom part in hexagonal shape? Option A. Slotted knot. Option D. T knot. Option C. Cap knot. Option D. Castle knot. Castle knot. Option D. 122 129 next video start करिए लंबा लाइन